Ever wonder how architects and engineers squeeze the most out of limited space? It's not magic, it's geometry. Today, we are diving into how shapes and spatial reasoning are used to maximize space in everything from buildings to packaging. Geometry's core principle is efficiency. Think about a sphere, it's the most efficient shape for containing volume with the least surface area. This is why planets are round. Similarly, architects use geometric principles like tessellations, repeating shapes fitting together without gaps, to create strong, space-saving structures, like honeycomb panels. Consider the humble cardboard box. Its rectangular prism shape is incredibly strong and stacks efficiently. Or look at geodesic domes, inspired by nature's patterns. They use triangles to distribute weight evenly, allowing for large, open spaces with minimal materials. Did you know the Eames house, a famous example, uses a geodesic dome to maximize living space? Ultimately, geometry provides the tools to optimize space, whether it's designing a skyscraper or packaging your groceries. By understanding shapes and their properties, we can build smarter, more efficient, and more beautiful structures. If you found this fascinating, give this video a like and subscribe for more explorations of math in the world around us. Let us know in the comments what other geometric wonders you'd like to see explained.